The ideal conditions for recaulking are moderate room temperature and low relative humidity, so sealant cures evenly and adheres well. Aim for a temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity below 50% when you recaulk. Start by checking the product label because different sealants have specific temperature and humidity ranges and recommended cure times. If you can control the environment, use portable heaters or air conditioners to maintain temperature and a dehumidifier to lower moisture. Position them so airflow does not disturb the fresh bead. Prepare the joint by removing old caulk, cleaning with a solvent or mild detergent, and letting the surface dry completely because any residual moisture will interfere with adhesion. Apply caulk in steady, continuous motion, tooling the bead immediately to ensure contact with both sides and to remove trapped air. Tooling also shapes the bead for predictable cure. Allow full cure time before exposing the joint to water or movement. Many silicone and polyurethane products need at least 24 hours under ideal conditions, while some hybrid formulations specify longer, so err on the side of patience. 3 common problems are slow cure, poor adhesion, and surface blooming. Slow cure often comes from high humidity or low temperature, so move the work to a drier, warmer area or run a dehumidifier and heater to speed up curing. Poor adhesion is usually caused by contamination or moisture on the substrate, so re-clean the area, remove failed material, and only caulk when the surface is fully dry. Surface blooming or powdery residue can result from incompatible cleaners or applying a masking tape remover too soon, so avoid silicone-containing cleaning agents near the joint and wait until the product has cured before touching tape or exposing the bead to heavy moisture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and service requests relevant to the job. We also host a discussion community where our users can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice about environmental factors like temperature and humidity when recaulking.